All right, welcome back to Heavy Mellow Restorations. Follow me. I been working on it. In the last video, I mentioned that I was going to give you a little idea what I was doing with regards to welding the panel up the sides and the seams. And if my camera person can take a look in there, I've got it pretty well spotted in, so to speak. I know it looks kind of crappy, but remember, I'm not a good welder. I'm a great grinder. So with that being said, I'm going to post a little video after this one because I had a little issue with the grinder, which you're going to see. So I had Nurse Ratchet help me out. I got the Band-Aid all on there, still bleeding a little bit, but I didn't lose a finger, so we're good there. But I'm going to keep progressing, and we're going to get this thing done hopefully very soon, so I can drop this video Thursday. It'll probably be late Thursday night, but it'll be there, and I'm hoping to have it, the pan done, and then I'll work on the front panels after that. So with that being said, see you soon. All right, welcome back to HMR. Just wanted to give you a little update. Trying to get this pan situated. I've got it pretty well tacked in on this side, around the corner there, working my way down, and then I noticed that I had a little bit of an overhang, so I decided to grab the old grinder or cutter, and doing good. And then I got a little overzealous. I had my finger right here, and I was using my right hand to bring her down to cut off the smallest piece possible, and it come up and it bit me. So just be careful when you're using your tools, grinding tools, and this is for entertainment purposes only, but I don't want to see anybody get hurt, so I'm going to continue. All right, hey, making progress. I got the pan I guess spotted in first time around. I got it all welded all the way around. I am still missing the one little spot, but I'm going to make that next. I have gone ahead and ground down all the rough spots on the replacement panel that I used first time. So now I'll go around it again. I'll have the other piece in, and then I'll grind it down one more time. And you know what? I think that'll be good. And then we'll move on to the center and the passenger side trunk pan. So this car did have a lot of, I'm going to put the light on this, but you see all that, I guess we want to call it tar, but I probably won't put that in. I'll probably use seam sealer. That's real common, and that you can paint over that too. So anyways, but once this is all one color, I think it's going to look decent. Good enough for who it's for. Thanks for watching. All right, welcome. Making progress on the trunk pan on the 59 here. Just wanted to have you guys take a look. I've got the section that you saw me starting to tack in. I've got that done. I still left some blood on the pan just for a little DNA in case something happens down the road, they can trace it back to me, right? The finger, a little cut. Actually, it's doing really well, so we're all good there. I didn't lose the tip. But I did find another spot here in the trunk that I replaced, and it is right here, that piece right there. So I got that done. Now the next thing is, oh, you guys get to see my shiny head there, sorry. The next thing is going to be this half over here. I'll turn the light on it. Probably, there you go. You can kind of see that. Oh, welding helmet's in the way. I'm in the way. So that is going to be, well, I got this little section and then that one up there. So I'm making progress. It's not going as quick as I like, but that's just, again, I always say it, but that's just the nature of the game. And I think this shirt is really calling me tonight. So you look like I need a PAPS. So I'm gonna go grab a couple, and I'll be back with continuation of the floor pan. So I appreciate you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.